Welcome to our channel. Activating your BMO Harris gift card by phone is simple and takes just a few minutes. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Locate the activation phone number on your BMO Harris gift card packaging or on a sticker attached to the card itself. This number is provided specifically for card activation. Step 2. Call the BMO Harris gift card activation number from any phone. Make sure you have your gift card handy before calling. Step 3. Listen to the automated prompts when your call connects. Select your preferred language if given the option. Step 4. Enter your gift card number when prompted by the automated system. This number is typically 16 digits long and found on the front of your card. Step 5. Provide any additional verification information requested, such as the CVV code on the back of the card or the card's expiration date. Step 6. Follow all remaining automated prompts to complete the activation process. The system will guide you through each step. Step 7. Listen for the confirmation message indicating that your BMO Harris gift card is now activated and ready to use. Step 8. If you encounter any issues or have questions, the automated system may offer to transfer you to a customer service representative for assistance. Keep your card information ready if you need to speak with someone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.